to do this anyways, at risk of sounding like someone beating a dead horse or milking the topic of Brian Skyline for content. I'm sure most of you have seen my original Brian Skyline sound video, but I wanted to let you guys know that there is a new turbo kit out there that could replace the ones I originally suggested, so that you don't have to, like, hunt down discontinued parts and fight people in bid wars on eBay or whatever the heck is necessary to get, like, an HKS T04Z, a T51R, or a Trust, a T78 turbo kit. Because those are the ones I suggested. In the original video, I basically suggested 3 things. HKS T51R, the HKS T04Z, which, in my opinion, is most likely to be the setup, the exact turbo kit used on the cars they did for the sound recordings of Too Fast, Too Furious. And my theory is that the exact car they used was one of the Motor X cars, the Duluck R34 GTR demo car, because that had the HKS high power exhaust and the HKS T04Z turbo kit. Because it comes with a, I won't say custom built, but it comes with the turbo, the exhaust manifold, and a front pipe, and a couple other things. And so it's really hard to deviate from the sound that that's going to make, because it comes with a lot of the essential exhaust components that changes the character of the sound. It's not impossible for them to have also used the T78. But the T04Z makes more sense just because of the fact that the Duluck car had the T04Z, and that's the car that was in the country at the time. And because when you look up the sounds online in that sounds library, it says 2001 Nissan GTR or whatever it was. Obviously, they could only do it with cars that were in the country at the time. It was either that or the Duluck R32 GTR, which also had a T04Z kit. But enough about that random history. The kit that I'm talking about now that you can get, that is a replacement for those, that is modern and you can get brand new, shipped to you, unopened packaging because it's made to order, is the HKS Special Setup Kit. It's basically a modern replacement for the HKS T04Z kit. It's basically the GT34R turbo with the manifold, the front pipe, wastegate, etc. It's been out for a few years now. Without the turbo, it's $4,700. With the turbo included, it's $7,000. You can get it on Nengun, RHD Japan, whatever. It sounds pretty darn good. It sounds just like Brian Skyline. So, just thought I'd let you guys know. Links in the description and all that stuff. And, happy modding.